Hello everyone, good afternoon. How are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. So yesterday I came to my sister house. Right now, after coming here, I got cold because of the weather is totally cloudy and it's sometimes drizzling. So I got cold, and today in the evening time I'll go to my room. So now my sister went to bring her daughter because her daughter went to school, and my sister cooked what she cooked. I'm going to show you.
So this is you can see pumpkin curry, which is called in Bengali kumro ghondo, and another recipe she will cook and she cutted vegetable. This is drumstick, and you can see lady's finger, brinjal, and curry leaves. This is for sambar, which is famous in South. It's a famous dish you will get if you go in South. You will get everywhere to eat this. So for today we will eat this. So
So today it's Monday, so they eat veg food. They don't eat non-veg. So today we are going to eat totally veg food. So in the morning time, I ate paratha and potato recipe, so that was very fantastic. And yeah, one thing I want to share, my sister cooks very well, very tasty delicious food. Whenever I come her house, always she cooks very delicious food. And yesterday I shared with you, I ate biryani, chicken biryani. Whenever I come to my sister house, she cooks biryani. And yeah, now my health is not well. Whenever she will come, I told her for bring medicine for me, citrizin. She will bring. Otherwise, if I don't take medicine, I can't go to my room because my sneezing and runny nose also. So then I will take medicine and I'll have food. After that, when I'll feel better, then I'll go to my room. So all the time whenever I come to my sister house, I used to enjoy, but this time it's very bad luck. I'm not enjoying. Just whole day I'm sleeping, and I'm taking rest. She's not letting me to do any work, and also I'm not I can't do any work also. Because so guys, for today, bye bye. Thank you so much. Keep watching and keep supporting me.